Hello everybody, I have the Vivitar DVR E401 I picked up on eBay, brand new. It's kind of nice, it's a Vivitar. I had some issues with the SD card, the micro card. It came with one, the one that it came with worked fine, but I wanted to stick in a different one. That sent me for a loop for a little bit, but so I wanted to show you what I found out. You have to format it, but you have to be quick at it. It doesn't have a menu that I have found yet where you can go and hit format. It pops up when you turn the camera on. Now this is my last chip, so hopefully it'll pop up so I can show you. So like I said, you got to be kind of quick on it. So I have my thumb on the down button, and the power button is also the OK. A screen should pop up here and it'll say that the card needs to be formatted. It'll be in the not the OK mode. You need to switch it over to confirm. That you do with the down button. Hit down, it'll move over, hit OK. That'll format the card for you, and then you should be able to be recording. Let's try it. On button. There's the message. Down button, confirm with power. There you go. It's that quick. Like I said, I haven't found it in the menu yet. It may be there. Let's see if the remote works. Oh, let's go to... Oh, yes, there it is recording. Okay, that's it. Remember, turn the camera on, have your finger on the down button and the power button for OK. Switch it to confirm with the down button, hit OK, and that'll format your card. Thanks for watching.